Hello, everybody. Today is April 16th. I'm Mr. Sheridan. This is Earth Science for today. Hope you're all having a great day. Let's get right into, again, we are working on doing some background knowledge as it pertains to our summative, where we will be focusing on one piece of land and what natural resources we can harvest from that land to generate income, and how we can do that in a sustainable way that's not hurting the environment. So your two CK12s that you need to do today are 21.7 hazardous waste. And so what you need to do is come down here and read the review questions. What is hazardous waste? What are the types of hazardous waste? And look around your home and garage if you have one. Name some materials that are toxic. So a little bit of homework there. You need to go ahead and look over those. You need to read through this and then do your practice quiz. Then you're going to go to your second one, which is preventing hazardous preventing hazardous waste problems. Again, I would recommend that you come down here and read through the review questions. How do the Superfund Act and other government regulations prevent lands from being contaminated? What can you do to prevent or lessen the generation of hazardous waste? And how should you dispose of toxic waste? So those 6 review questions are what you need to answer in Google Classroom. If you go over here to Google Classroom, they are going to be the 4-6 review questions. So here's yesterday's. You'll notice that we have 18 out of 65 students that have gotten theirs turned in. So I need you to do a better job of making sure that these review questions are getting answered for today, which is 4-6. So your review questions are all listed right here. Again, I would recommend that you do these one at a time. So just open up a blank Google Doc, answer these review questions after you finish with this first reading, do your practice quiz, then move on, read through this one, answer those review questions, and then copy and paste them into Google Classroom. So if you have any questions, remember, folks, you need to click turn in button. I'm a teacher, so mine says assign. You are a student, yours says turn in. You have to click that button or else you won't get credit for it. If that button doesn't turn up, again, exit out of that after you've done your quiz, exit out of that tab, go back to your classroom, open it up again in Safari, and that bar typically shows up. So with that, those are your assignments for today, just those 2 that we need to get done and the review questions. I'm going to leave you to go do those, and I'm going to wish you all a wonderful weekend. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you.
Have a good weekend, Mr. Sheridan.